Question third, what are the various inventory management policies? Inventory management policies are planned for how to use inventory to fulfill customer demand. There are various policies. First, reorder point. In this policy, a fixed replenishment point or quantity is used to trigger a new order when the stock falls below a certain point. Second, min-max. In this policy, as inventory falls to a min level, a new order is triggered that does not exceed the maximum inventory level. Third, lot for lot. In this policy, demand flow generates a new replenishment order for the same quantity at the time when the previous order arrived. Fourth, days of supply. This method relies on average daily sales using historical demand to calculate an order quantity for a number of days of supply. Fifth, MEIO. In this policy, a multi-echelon inventory optimization approach is being taken to manage against demand variability across the entire supply chain at a time. If you want a detailed video on MEIO, do comment in the comment section. We can create a one.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.